Today I'm reviewing the Drumroll Donuts. Now these are basically a protein donut. They have 200 calories, 190 calories actually, and 10 grams of protein in all of them. So they all have about 70 calories in each one. Now if we check out the ingredients, there's actually no added sugar. However, there is a good amount of sugar alcohols in these, and they do taste really good. Now, you can have a strong aftertaste of these because there are a lot of sugar alcohols. There's 4 grams of sugar alcohols in these. But basically, there's no dairy, low in sugar, high in protein. So it's a good alternative to donuts, like every day of the week, because there's no, normal added sugar. But you still want to have these in moderation. Now, personally, I like to get these sometimes. I get them at the store. Personally, I really like how they taste. That's why I get them. But they're definitely not a replacer when it comes to normal protein sources like meat or any other of the other stuff. But yeah, it's a pretty good ingredient list. 10 grams of protein, pretty low in sodium, and honestly, they taste really good. I'm gonna try one, bite into it, show you the inside. You can see right here, they've got 3 flavors. They got strawberry, chocolate, and vanilla, of course. And we're gonna give it a shot. Tastes really good. You can see it's a little bit dense. It's very light though, and yeah, I really recommend trying them. They're about $4, so a little expensive, but I honestly think it's a good price for what you're getting. Good tasting donuts and relatively healthy. So yeah, found this helpful. Consider liking the video and buying these donuts. I really think they're good.